Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best folding beds that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the FirsTime & Co. CIAO Comfort Bed Folding. It is an Italian-made foldable bed guaranteeing comfortable sleep. It is composed of premium quality, dense polyurethane foam. Furthermore, it is supported through an elastic metal mesh base for extra comfort. This folding bed works as a temporary sleeping solution for accommodating guests for night's sleep. The mattress comes in a reversible design. The included durable polyester cover protects the interior. This cover is stain-resistant. Moving on at number 4, we have the Quictent heavy-duty folding beds with 2 extra support belts. What makes this Quictent folding bed famous is comfort and softness. It is designed using a micro-quilt 3D elastic knit material cover. This cover provides sufficient friction to make sure it stays in place. An additional storage bag is included to store this bed when not in use. It is easy to store it in a compact size and place in closets or cabinets. The reinforced support belts provide sturdy support for the bed mats. It comes with 300 pounds of maximum weight capacity. The heavy-duty tubular steel frame enhances stability. At number 3, we have the Rollaway Guest Folding Beds Cot, with foam mattress. Recognized as a versatile foldable cot, this product offers plenty of space to accommodate your guests. It is now easy to accommodate adults and kids inside. The process of setup is quick and easy. It comes in a travel-friendly design for easy movement and transportation. Prepared from dense, soft, and breathable memory foam, this cot perfectly contours to the shape of your body. It maintains balance with the help of steel tubing, stabilizing legs, and double reinforcements. There are no worries about the folding bed toppling over. At number 2, we have the LEISUIT Rollaway Guest Bed Cot Fold-Out Bed. The key specialty of this Rollaway guest bed is portability. It comes equipped with a folding bed frame with a dense memory foam mattress. This provides enough space for sleeping. The metal frame folds into half size for easy storage. It is known that this roll-away bed can be quickly assembled in a few minutes. It is easy to move this fold-out bed from one place to another. The combination of dense sponge and memory foam offers excellent comfort. The included wire mesh Oxford cloth offers excellent elasticity. No tools needed for assembly. And finally at number 1, we have the Giantex 75x31 Folding Guest Bed Foam Mattress. This Giantex foam mattress provides a convenient place for the guest room. The compact size conveys space-saving design. This design is perfect for kids and guests. A thick mattress bed frame makes sure there is no need for additional box spring. The foldable and space-saving design allows easy storage while not in use. Its durable steel frame ensures durability and stability for a long time. There are 4 smooth rolling wheels for easy movement. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.